Hello everyone, welcome to Sailor Brothers. So as you have already seen, I have made video of my joining. So I am already on board, and this time I am planning to log all my days, all the things which I do on board. So after joining all the videos, I am planning to make a story out of it and then I'll upload it on YouTube. So this will be a complete logging since I joined this vessel till the date I sign off. So I'll try to shoot as much as I can. So as the name of the channel you can see is Sailor Brothers. So this series will be all about what I do at sea when I'm out of from my home for 6 months. So let's begin. Hello guys, welcome on board. So after coming on board, I am shooting this for the first time, and this is the end of my watch at 12 o'clock midnight. So time is now 12:50. As you can see, time is 12:50. I was on bridge, I was doing some work, I was handing over to second officer, and this is my cabin. I have just arranged it today, and now I'm going down to have something. So I'm feeling hungry, little bit hungry, so I'm going down now. I'll take some bottles also, I'll fill up some water. Tomorrow is Sunday, so we will have something. Yesterday was Saturday, so today is Sunday. It's already 12 past 50. So tomorrow I'll prepare some drill reports, and then tomorrow we'll have some rest. So this is our alleyway. All the cabins are here. Here. So now I'm going down. So our stairs like this. If we go up that way, there is a bridge. So that is the place where we do navigation. So I will show you around some other day. But now I am going down. So we are on A deck now. So starting from upper deck, we have all these rooms. We have some stores there. This is A deck. All the red marks are the indication that you are on that deck. So on B deck, we have some cabins of these guys. On C deck, we have these guys. So my cabin is on C deck here, third officer. So that is my cabin. So this is the A deck. All the main rooms, galley, and everything is here. So and CCR is also here. So I will show you around. Lights are off. So this is the smoke room. So on this ship we have a dedicated smoke room. So if you want to smoke, you have to come here and smoke. You cannot smoke anywhere in your cabin or anywhere in the alleyway or outside, because this is a gas carrier. This is the mess room. This is crew mess room, and on the other side we have officers mess room. So in between we have galley. So we have a common passage. So now I am going towards galley. So before going to galley, I will show you CCR. This is cargo control room. I have to switch on the lights. So this is the panel. The panel which you see behind me is cargo control rooms panel. So this is a cargo panel, and this room is called cargo control room. So all the cargo operations are done from here and cross-checked on deck. We have these extinguishers all over the deck, all alleyways, all stores and garbage room everywhere. So now I am going to galley. So this is my table. This is the place where I sit. So I have all my meals are done here. What is this? Nothing left. So this is the place where all the food is being kept, and this is our small pantry. So I'll have some breads and all, and if something is there in the fridge maybe. Okay, we have some salad, we have bread and all, we have milk, we have juices. So let's have something. Okay guys, so that was it for this video. Stay tuned for more such videos. If you have any comments, suggestions, or if you want me to make more videos related to whatever topic you want, just drop a comment down below in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe if you like this video. This is Shubham Joshi signing off. Welcome to Sailor Brothers.